Hi, I welcome you all to my channel CSNet Lectures. So, in this session, we are going to move on with a new topic which is called as Arithmetic Expression Evaluation. So, this is one of the very important topic in data structure. So, there are chances for you to get one or two questions in these three types of expressions. Okay, so we will have a small introduction about what are operators, what are operands, what are different types of expressions that we are using in evaluation of any type of expressions. Okay, then another doubt you may get that what are all these expressions, why we want to use it. Okay, so that I am going to explain you, right? So now, for example, if you are going to perform a mathematical evaluation, for example, I am going to ask you a question. Okay, so what is the answer for 4 into 3? Okay, so what will be the answer? You will be thinking with your mental ability and with analytical skills, and you will be telling that the answer is 12, isn't it? So next, for example, I am asking you another question. 4 into 3 plus 2. What will be the answer? So you will be taking a few seconds and you will be recalling all the rules of maths, and you will be telling the answer as 4 into 3, 12, and 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. So you will be using your mental skills and analyzing ability and so on, and you will be taking a few seconds and you will be giving the answer as 12. 12 or 14. Okay, so suppose if I am going to give the same question to a system, will it be able to use its brain or its thinking ability or its mental skills for solving this question? No, it is not possible, because a system is a dumb machine. We are telling, isn't it? A computer system is a dumb machine. So it is not having the ability for thinking or solving by its own, isn't it? So we must have to feed each and every bit of instruction for solving the data or a mathematical expression or logical expression or whatever it is. Okay, so for that purpose only we are using some concepts for implementing these types of evaluation techniques in our computer. Okay, so we are learning about infix, prefix and postfix. So these are different types of expressions that we are feeding the system in the form of algorithm, so that the system will read each and every bit of instructions and it is going to solve and give the answer. For example, as I asked you, 4 into 3 plus 12, what will be the answer? 4 into 3 is 12 and 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. We are thinking and answering, but how the system can do? It cannot do. So these are some set of steps or algorithms we are giving to the system for giving the answer as 24. So that we are going to discuss. Okay, so how the system is going to evaluate these expressions are by using combination of operators and operands. Okay, so what is an operator and what is an operand? So operator is nothing but different types of symbols or mathematical expressions or mathematical evaluators that we are using for solving two values or values that are stored in a variable, isn't it? So operator is nothing but plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus, logical operators, boolean operators, and we can go on till. Okay, so we are using those operators and we are giving a specific meaning for those operators, and we are telling the system to do this operation once the symbol is being given. Okay, so that is called as an operator. So next is operands. So what is an operand? Okay, so operand is nothing but the variables or the actual values which are involved in mathematical expression. So for example, I told 4 into 3 plus 12. Okay, so now can you tell me which are all the operators and which are all the operands? Okay, so this is an operator. So what operator is this? So this is a mathematical operator. isn't it? So this is a mathematical operator, right? Now what is this 4, 3 and 12? So this 4, 3 and 12 is nothing but operands. Okay, we call it as an operands. So these are the operands which are involved in mathematical evaluation. Okay, for example, we can also write like this A and B or C. Like this also we can write it, isn't it? So what these operators are called? So these operators are called as logical operators, right? And we can also use relational operators. Do you remember this? A not equal to B. So this is a relational operator. So like this we have enormous number of operators which we are using in our operands for producing some solution. So we are giving the meaning that this operator is a not equal operator and this is an AND operator, this is an OR operator, and these are some of the mathematical operators. Okay, are you clear? So we are feeding the system that operators are this and operands are this, right? Now next one, we have 3 types of expressions for helping the system to do some calculations very easy. So here the system means a processor which are involved in computers, which are built in computers. Okay, so we have infix expression, prefix expression and postfix expression. Okay, based on the efficiency of our algorithm or based on the efficiency of the processors, we can use any one of these expressions for solving the given mathematical problem. Okay, now I am going to explain you what is infix and how it is represented, and what is prefix, how it is represented, and what is postfix and how it is being figured. So all these things now I am going to explain it to you. Now as a continuity of this session, okay, I am going to give it in the next part of the video what are all the different types of infix, prefix and postfix expressions and its meaning and the way of solving it, and what all operator precedence. Okay, so we are going to give precedence for each and every operators for the way the system is going to solve. So all these things we are going to explain it in the next session, friends. Okay, now I think so you will be clear with this concept. Now having this in your mind, we can go for the next session, right? Bye and thank you.